Here we go, kiddies. Next slide, next example. The very first thing we should notice when we see this polynomial is that it's not in standard form. We have to write it in standard form first. It's always the first step. So standard form is the highest exponent term first, then the next highest exponent, then the constant at the end. This is now in standard form. Notice how the exponents go down by 1 each time. Okay, so negative x cubed plus 15x plus 3. The leading coefficient is the very first number you see. Well, there's no number there. It's just a negative sign, right? That's really -1. The degree is the highest exponent right there, which is 3. The name based on the degree, a third degree polynomial is called a cubic. The constant term is at the very end. That's the 3. The number of terms, count them up. There's 2 plus signs and a minus sign, which makes 3 terms. The name based on number of terms, a 3-term polynomial is called a trinomial. Okay. Let's do one more together, and then you could do the rest on your own, and then you'll also have homework tonight. This one has just one term. It's already in standard form. There's nothing to rearrange. The leading coefficient is the first number you see, which is -3. The degree is the exponent, which is 4. Right? The name of a 4th degree polynomial is called a quartic. The constant term, there is none. There's no number at the end here, which really makes it 0. The number of terms is really just 1. You don't count the 0, really. We don't need to count that. This is really just one giant term right here. This whole thing, it's one term. They're all connected. The -3, the z, and the fourth power exponent, they're all connected as one term. Name based on number of terms, that is called a monomial. When you just have one term, it's called a monomial. We'll do this one together too. Standard form. 5x squared minus x plus 4. That's now in standard form. Leading coefficient is the first number you see, which is 5. Degree is the highest exponent, which is 2. A 2-second degree is called a quadratic. Constant term is called is the number at the end, which is a 4. The number of terms is 3. You could see them. Here's one term. Here's another term. Here's the third term. 3 terms. Name based on number of terms is called a trinomial. Your homework. You could do this problem on your own, by the way. Here's your homework right here. It's out of the textbook. It's also screenshotted right here, so you don't have to go into the textbook. You could just do the problems right here. Numbers 35 to 57 odds, and then 67 to 72 all. Good luck.